how to add audio in Youcut. Let's spice up your video with some awesome sound. Adding audio in Youcut is super easy. First, open Youcut and select your video. Once it's loaded onto the timeline, tap on the music icon. You'll see 3 tabs: Featured, My Music and Effects. Choose My Music to add audio from your device, or pick something from the app's built-in library. Once you tap a track, it previews instantly, then hit Use to add it. You can drag the audio bar to sync it perfectly with your video, adjust the volume with the slider, and even trim the audio if it's too long. For better audio timing, use the split feature to fine-tune exactly where the music starts or fades. What song are you adding to your next clip? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.